Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Bluetooth could not connect error. So first thing first, make sure that you have connected the Bluetooth. For that, make sure the Bluetooth is turned on. So at the below search bar, type in Bluetooth. Open your Bluetooth, it'll open up your settings as well. And make sure that you have toggled on this switch and also add a device to check. As you can see, I'm not connected, but you have to connect it. If it's still not working, retry it, like plug it off and then connect again. Now, if it's still not working, here's the last thing that you can try. Come below at the search bar, type in Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. And here you will see Bluetooth, expand it. If you have connected your Bluetooth, you will see something called adapter. Now, even if you don't see the adapter, go ahead, right-click onto each of these Bluetooth, select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers and then close. Repeat the same process for all the thing here and then close this. Once done, restart your device and this shall fix the problem.